Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today we are going to learn how to make this crochet hairbelt. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So very first you need these two threads, hook and scissors. So for the middle part, we'll start with the orange thread. You can use any of it, or if you want to make with the single color, you can make that also. So first make chain 3, now into the first stitch we'll make 4 unfinished half double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we'll yarn over and remove from all these loops. Now we'll do chain 2 and turn your work like this, and again into this gap, this chain 2 gap, we'll make 4 unfinished half double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again yarn over and remove from all these loops and chain 2, turn your work and so we need around 31 these clusters. So we'll continue doing this and finish all these 31 clusters. So I'm done with all these stitches. Now we'll cut the thread, tighten it, and let's take the another thread, which is white one. Make a slip knot and insert your hook into this stitch, this one, and make a single crochet. So now what we are going to do, into this same stitch we'll make 3 more single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Always keep your thread under your stitch. So these are now total 4 single crochet. Now continue into this gap, we'll make 4 more single crochet. These ones. So similarly we'll have to continue for each stitch into this space, in this space of every stitch. As you can see, every stitch has this space, this one. So we'll have to continue that same 4 single crochet into each space. Once you are reached at this end, other side, now we'll jump back to this space and we'll make 4 single crochet. Like this. So again we'll continue for all these rest of the stitches until the last stitch. Here I am at the end. Now into the last stitch we'll make 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and just slip stitch into this first stitch like this. So this is how our belt portion is ready, as you can see. Now we'll make the tie. For that, chain 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
So these are our 50 chains are ready. Now from this chain we'll make 3 more chains, 1, 2, 3, then yarn over twice and from the hook 1, 2, 3 into the 4th stitch we'll make this double crochet, 2 double crochet together, and again chain 3 and into this same stitch we'll make a slip stitch. So this is our first petal is ready of the end flower. Again 3 chains and into this same stitch we'll make 2 double crochet together and chain 3 and slip stitch into the same stitch. Like this we'll have to make for 3 more times. As you can see, our flower is ready. All 5 petals are done. Then we'll make 1 single crochet, cut the thread, tighten it. This is our flower, and you can adjust the thread and cut it off the extra thread. So this is how we have completed one end, and we'll make for the other end also. So for this other end we'll now slip stitch a slip knot and insert our hook into the center and just insert the thread and we'll continue doing 50 chains. So here is our belt is ready with this cute little flower ends. So if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.